Hello students, welcome to Bal Govindam Learning App. Today we are going to start a second chapter of your course reader book, that is lesson 2, Let's Learn Pranayam. So student, you all know about pranayam and yogasana. So here you can see some pictures. These are different type of yogasana. Can you name these yogasanas? See it clearly. Yes. Number 1 is chakrasana. Number 2 is sarvangasana. Number 3 is urdhva mukhasana. And number 4 is halasana. So these are different type of yoga posture. We all know the values of yoga sun. They keep our body fit and keep us away from these different type of diseases, and also help us to heal of diseases. So we should do yogasana. Now you don't go to school, so you have enough time for doing yogasana. Are you doing? In our school there was a yoga teacher. Have you remembered? She used to teach you. Remember it? Yes. So she taught you many yogasanas. So in this chapter we will talk about pranayam. What change have you felt in your body after performing yogasana? After performing yogasana, you can feel your body is rather active and strong. So you should do yogasana daily. Okay. Now students, I know that you don't have book, but I told you earlier that it doesn't matter if you have or not. Okay. And actually I also don't have book. So we are starting. I have this passage. Actually in the class 5th in exam there will be passages from question answer. That means key passage will be given and some questions will be given and you have to find out the answers. So read the passage 1 carefully. Let's start. Shivam and Nitin were students of class 5th. One day they got up early. It was a pleasant morning. They went to a park for a morning walk. They saw many people in the park. Some of them were running on the track around the park. Children were playing. In the middle of the park, some were sitting and making different poses. Shivam wondered what they were doing. Out of curiosity, both the friends went near them. In this passage, you notice that Shivam and Nitin were students of class 5th and they got up early. जल्दी उठे. It was a pleasant morning. बहुत अच्छी morning थी सुबह सुबह, है ना. Actually mornings usually pleasant, अच्छी होती है, सुबह सुहावनी होती है. They went to a park for a morning walk. Morning walk के लिए पार्क गए. They saw many people in the park. बहुत सारे लोग देखे पार्क में. Some of them were running on the track around the park. Children were playing in the middle of the park. Some people were sitting and making different poses. पर जब वो मिडिल ऑफ द पार्क पहुंचे उन्होंने देखा कि कुछ लोग बैठकर अलग अलग पोजेस बना रहे थे. शिवम वंडर्ड व्हाट दे वर डूइंग. शिवम को थोड़ा वंडर हुआ, आश्चर्य हुआ कि वो कर क्या रहे हैं. आउट ऑफ क्यूरियोसिटी बोथ द फ्रेंड्स वेंट नियर देम. दोनों उनके पास गए. there was a yoga teacher. वहाँ एक योगा टीचर थी. Was giving instruction to others. वो इंस्ट्रक्ट कर रही थी दूसरों को. He said, my dear friends, let's learn pranayam in today's yoga class. आज की क्लास में हम प्राणायाम सीखेंगे. What is pranayam? Somebody asked. किसी ने पूछा कि प्राणायाम क्या होता है. So student, this is the passage number 1. Actually your whole chapter is divided into different passages. Okay, so we will complete through it. You have to write this passage in your notebook. After writing the passage, you have to do word meaning from related this passage. Here are some word meaning, like number 1, pleasant means enjoyable, nice. Track, a circular path for runners. Middle, that means center. Poses means position. Wondered means surprise. Curiosity means desire to know, कुछ जानने की इच्छा. Instructions, that means activities of teaching or giving orders. Next, pranayam, control over breathing. Okay, so student, you have to do this word meaning after this passage. Now here are some questions, and these questions are related from above passage, so you can find the answer very easily in that passage. So let's start. Number 1, the friends had gone for morning walk, to play, to do yoga, to do pranayam. Try to find out fastly. Yes, a morning walk. The answer is a morning walk. Number 2, in which class did Shivam and Nitin study? किस क्लास में स्टडी करते थे? Yes, Shivam and Nitin study in class 5th, and or you can write they study in class 5th. Okay, where did they go? कहाँ गए थे? They go की जगह आप करेंगे went, because there are did. Whenever did is in the question, answer will be in the second form of the verb. So we can write here they went to a park for a morning walk. Okay, next, what did they see there? क्या देखा वहाँ पे? Yes, again they saw many people in the park. बहुत सारे लोगों को देखा. How was the morning? Very clear. The morning was very pleasant. या you भी कह सकते हैं आप, it was a pleasant morning. Who were making different poses? कौन बना रहे थे different poses? Yes, some people were making different poses. कुछ लोग different poses बना रहे थे. What were children doing? Children क्या कर रहे थे? Children were playing. All time children used to play, so children were playing in the park. It is not necessary to write in the park. They are asking only what were children doing, so you can write children were playing. So student, you have to do the question answer very clearly, but you don't have to do like this. आपको इस तरीके से नहीं करने. You will first write the question, then write the answer, then skip a line, then again start the number 3 question, then again skip a line, then question after answer, then skip a line, again question, then answer, then skip a line. So student, you have to like this. Okay, hello students, welcome to Bal Govindam learning app. Now we move to passage 2. Pranayam is control and extension of the breath. By practicing it, we can reduce a breathing rate. Reduced breathing rate has a lot of benefits. It slows down heart rate, reduces blood pressure, and relaxes body and mind. pranayam increases our life expectancy. So student, this is really very short paragraph. You have to write down in your notebook and try to understand. Pranayam is control and extension of the breath. Pranayam क्या है? अपनी ब्रेथ को कंट्रोल और कंट्रोल करना, उसे बढ़ाना. बाय प्रैक्टिसिंग इट वी कैन रिड्यूस अ ब्रीदिंग रेट. इससे हमारी जो ब्रीदिंग रेट है प्रैक्टिस करने से कम हो सकती है. रिड्यूस्ड ब्रीथिंग रेट हैज अ लॉट्स ऑफ बेनिफिट होते हैं इसके. स्लो डाउन हार्ट रेट, हमारी हार्ट रेट स्लो डाउन रहती है. रिड्यूसेस ब्लड प्रेशर, बीपी कम रहता है. एंड रिलैक्सेस बॉडी एंड माइंड, हमारी बॉडी और माइंड दोनों को रिलैक्स करती है. प्राणायाम इंक्रीजेज आवर लाइफ एक्सपेक्टेंसी. दैट मीन्स कि इससे हमारी जो लाइफ है वो भी बढ़ती है. दैट मीन्स हम लंबी उम्र जीते हैं. So here are word meanings you have to do in your notebook. Number 1, control means command, extension means increment, and practicing means doing again and again. Reduce to make a smaller in size or time. Benefits means advantages, useful effects. Relaxes यानी give rest, calm. Increases means makes larger. Expectancy means possibility. Okay students, now here you can see question answers. After doing word meaning in the notebook, you will start the question answer. Number 1, this passage is about walking, heart rate, pranayam or mind. Yes, it is very simple and clear. What is the answer? Pranayam. Move to the next. Here are again some question answers and you have to try to give the answer. What is pranayam? क्या होता है प्राणायाम? प्राणायाम you can find in the passage very easily. Pranayam is control and extension of the breath. Okay. Number 2, what can we do by practicing it? इसकी practicing से हम क्या कर सकते हैं? So we can reduce. You can find in the passage we can reduce our breathing rate. हम अपनी breathing rate कम कर सकते हैं. Next, write the first benefit of reduced breathing rate. Here you have to write only the first benefit क्या है. So you can write reduced breathing rate has a lots of benefit. Lots of benefits आपको नहीं लिखना है. You have to write the first benefit. That is, it slow down heart rate. So you will write the first benefit is that it slows down the heart rate. Okay, remember it. Here our line is given. There are reduced breathing rate has lots of profit, but you don't have to write it. You have to write what is the first benefit. जो first benefit है खाली वो ही लिखना है. What does pranayam increases? Yes, pranayam increases our life expectancy. You can easily find out the answer in your passage. Next one, what should be our breathing rate? हमारी breathing rate कैसी होनी चाहिए? कैसी होनी चाहिए? Yes, reduce breathing rate. So a breathing rate should be slow, धीरी होनी चाहिए. What is the second benefit of reduced breathing rate? Here the author is asking what is the second benefit. So you can find here reduce blood pressure. Okay, so you can write the second benefit is that it reduces blood pressure. Okay. So students, these are the question answer, but remember it, don't do like that. You have to write first question, then answer, then skip a line, again question, answer and skip a line. So do it neat and clear handwriting. Okay, thank you.